This is the senior design project that is dealing with the replacement of the Sweetwater Creek bridge in Monroe County. Our client and team introductions. Our client is TDOT. We're working with our mentors, Jacob Brashear, Randy Plummer, and Suzanne Thomas. Our senior design team leaders, Alex Smith. Our team includes Alex Burns, Tommy Geiser, Jarrett Grant, Darcy Halliburton, Lily Parker, and Seth Ward. This is the project site. Those arrows represent the project limits. State Route 2 in Monroe County. It's an official emergency detour for I-75. So this means that 2 lanes must be open for the duration of our project. This bridge was originally built in 1929. It was rehabilitated in 1963, but it has failed its last 2 bridge inspections. As you can see in that top right photo, there are signs of aging on the bridge. There's also not really any stormwater management along our project area. A lot of the rainwater runoff runs into these businesses' parking lot. That's something we plan to address. As well as pedestrian deficits. Sweetwater, it's a growing community. There are plans for a future greenway along our project site. At the moment, there is no pedestrian access across this bridge, and that is something that we also plan to address.
Rocky Road Engineering is committed to using the ASCE's body of knowledge to address the National Academy of Engineers' grand challenges. Our collaborative work will allow us to restore and improve the aging infrastructure in East Tennessee. It is our goal to provide safe and sustainable community connections by considering the global, social, cultural, environmental, and economic impacts of our project. So far, our team has created existing site conditions and site plans. We have created a complete horizontal alignment. We have completed abutment details and typical bridge sections, as well as a plan for utilities and drainage and construction easements. Our plan will shift the roadway to accommodate the addition of a 2-way left turn lane to increase traffic capacity across the bridge. Our bridge structure will be entirely new, and it will have an increased strength. We will also be installing curb and gutter and a new drainage system, as well as designated business driveways along the duration of our project to create greater resilience to flooding along the road and for business parking lots. We will also be creating a multi-use greenway path that will connect pedestrian access across Sweetwater Creek.
For technical and professional credibility, Rocky Road Engineering Group intends to use our combined experience from professional engineering co-ops and internships. We will also be using professional civil engineering codes, as well as relying on our Region 1 TDOT mentors to aid us in our design process for this project. This project will benefit the City of Sweetwater, TDOT, and Rocky Road Engineering Group. With the addition of a 2-way left turn lane and multi-use path, we aim to increase both driver and pedestrian safety. Additionally, we will be implementing a new drainage system that will improve the functionality of the businesses along this roadway. Rocky Road Engineering Group will also benefit from this by gaining real design experience, working with real TDOT professionals, as well as learning how to use our engineering knowledge to improve the world and the engineering profession as a whole. Thank you.